Our concept name is I.S.A.C.A. I.S.A.C.A comes from all the elements that we want to incorporate in our bus stop. The alphabet I stands for informative, S stands for safety, A stands for accessibility, C stands for capacity, and A stands for additional facilities.
The bus is arriving to the I.S.A.C.A stop.
Now, I'm going to explain the 5 main features that we have included in our bus stop. The first feature is informative. For informative, we have included 2 digital signboards, a voice announcement system, a kiosk board, and a glass. One of the digital signboards is installed inside the bus stop. The digital signboards displays an array of information. This includes advertisements, bus schedules, and QR code for e-books. In addition, it also displays advertisements of tourist attractions in Malaysia to showcase the heritage and cultural value of local travel attractions to foreigners. The other digital signboard is placed at the top left corner outside the bus stop. This digital signboard shows the estimated arrival time of the bus to the users. Both of our digital signboards have sharp colors to enable users to read from far.
The bus to Kuala Lumpur will be arriving in 5 minutes.
The voice announcement system installed is to allow blind users to know the estimated bus arrival time without having to ask other users. Users who are talking or using their gadgets can also hear the estimated bus arrival time without having to look at the digital signboard. Glass were installed at one side of the walls to allow users to know when the bus is arriving. The kiosk board displays the bus route map to inform users which bus they should take. It has big fonts to allow users to look at the map clearly. Moving on to safety features, our bus stop has LED lights and CCTV. The functions of the LED lights is to brighten up the bus stop. The reason why we are using LED lights instead of traditional light bulbs is because LED lights are more energy efficient and brighter. Besides, CCTV is installed to keep track of what is happening in the bus stop. Hence, it is safer for users to wait at the bus stop. Sidewalls and fencing were also designed to keep a certain distance between the bus stop and the road to prevent the bus rush over and hurt the users. Our bus stop also have ergonomic seats for users with different heights to sit. This is to reduce the probability of injuries from falling down from the seats. Next, for accessibility, we have a slope for wheelchair users to access. Besides, tactile paving is installed to facilitate people with visual impairments. It serves as a navigation guide to them. Recycle bins were also designed for users to dispose their waste. Our recycle bins are made out of stainless steel, which is very sustainable and environmentally friendly materials. Additionally, our recycle bins are designed to be clean and managed easily. Cleaners can easily take out the waste and change the trash bag by pulling out the stainless steel handle at the back of the bin. By providing recycle bins at our bus stop, we hope to raise awareness of waste categorization to our users. As for capacity, we designed a wider moving area to maximize comfort. Besides, we also have more seats for users to sit and socialize with their friends or other users while waiting for the bus to arrive, and a space for wheelchair users to wait at the bus stop. The last feature would be additional facilities. We have included a glass for sunlight to pass through, phone charging points for users to charge their gadgets, and a fan for heat dissipation. Additionally, we also have a vending machine for users to buy drinks and snacks while they are waiting for the bus to arrive. Our vending machine is also accessible for wheelchair users. Other facilities such as QR code for e-books and free Wi-Fi were implemented in our bus stop. These touches help users waiting at the bus stop to feel less bored and frustrated as they wait for the bus to arrive. The reason why we are using solar panels to generate electricity is because it is a renewable resource. It is also environmentally friendly as it does not produce greenhouse gases. Besides, it does not create any noise, which means that it will not disturb the users as well as people that live around the area. In conclusion, our bus stop has taken into consideration of our users' needs. This user-friendly bus stop has 5 main features which includes informative, safety, accessibility, capacity, and additional facilities. We hope that by implementing this user-friendly bus stop in front of universities, it will attract more people to use public transport as this can only have a positive impact on the environment.
Huh?